Hi guys, it's Sam here from LE Gear and Australian Defence Apparel. We're really excited to announce our exclusivity with SET breaching equipment. You would formerly know this through 511 breaching. SET has moved away from the 511 branding. However, you will see some of that branding still on some of the products. The gear is exactly the same, except for, say, modifications moving forward and improvements. We're really excited to see where this goes into Australia, having a single point of contact where we can really drive these quality products into your organisation. The Swedish Entry Tools, or SET short, have been under licence with 511 for a number of years. You know their products, you know that it's a proven kit. SET management and ownership is ex-Special Operations police officers. The guys that own and operate SET have a significant amount of invested interest in law enforcement and other people that use their kit, including the military. LE Gear and Australian Defence Apparel, super excited to support SET and our products. So please keep an eye out online and through our EDMs, and we really look forward to supporting you.